So take a wide saucepan, add a little oil, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a teaspoon of poppy seeds or gus-gus, a few roughly chopped cashew nuts. Next I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of roasted chana dal. To this I'm going to add a piece of ginger that's been cut up, a few cloves of garlic chopped, 2 large green chilies cut up, add a few cloves, 1 large onion that's been chopped, add a few curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. I have 500 grams of minced mutton here. I'm going to add that. So we're going to cook the meat. You don't have to add any water to this. I'm going to season it with some salt. You can see all the extra moisture is evaporated. I'm going to turn off the stove. We're going to cool this mixture. So now the mixture is cooled completely. I'm going to grind this in a mixer. So now I've ground this meat mixture into a nice fine consistency without adding any water to this. You need to get a nice fine mixture. You can see this, how nicely I've ground this. I've cracked open 1 egg. Just gently whisk it. Pour this into the meat mixture. A few finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well so the egg is combined well into the meat mixture. Now this egg will help it to bind well and it'll be easy when you fry them. You can check for seasoning at this point before frying. If you need a little salt, you can add it. Take a little bit of the meat mixture. You don't want to make it too large. You're just going to make small sized. So this size is perfect. So make sure the oil is hot. Just gently place it into the oil.